Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find the center of enlargement. First, identify your original shape and its enlarged image. You'll need to pick at least two pairs of corresponding points, like point on the original and point a prime on the image. Grab a ruler and a pencil. Precision is key for this geometric construction. Make sure your workspace is clear and your shapes are clearly labeled. Now let's connect those points. Take your ruler and draw a straight line from point on your original shape to its corresponding point, a prime, on the enlarged image. Extend this line well beyond both shapes. Repeat this process for your second pair of corresponding points, say B and B prime. These lines are your construction guides, often called rays of enlargement. Observe where these two lines intersect. This crucial point, where both extended lines cross, is your center of enlargement. You can label it C for clarity. This single point acts as the fixed reference from which all points on the original shape are scaled to create the enlarged image. It's the heart of the transformation. To verify your center, you can measure the distance from the center to an original point, and then from the center to its image point. The ratio of these two distances will give you the scale factor of the enlargement. For example, if the image distance is 2 times the original, your scale factor is 2. This confirms your center's accuracy and helps understand the transformation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.